Let's face it, money can be overwhelming. Where should you put it? How much should you save? How much should you invest? And how do you make sure you're not just surviving, but actually building wealth? What if I told you there's a simple 3-account system that can organize your entire financial life, give you peace of mind, and help you build real, lasting wealth, without the stress? Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3-account system that has changed the lives of thousands of people. We'll break down what each account is for, how to set it up, how to use it to grow your money, real-life examples, and how this one system can be your roadmap to financial freedom. Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we help you achieve financial freedom with smart money habits and investing strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. Why most people struggle with money. It's not because they're lazy. It's not because they're irresponsible. It's because they don't have a system. Think about it. You get paid. You pay some bills. Maybe you save a little. You try to invest what's left. Something unexpected happens, and boom, you're back at zero. That's not a financial plan. That's financial chaos. Without a system, your money runs your life. But with the right system, you run your money. The power of simplicity. The biggest mistake people make is overcomplicating their finances. They try to track everything, do everything, invest in everything, and burn out. That's where the 3-account system comes in. It's simple. It's powerful. And most importantly, it works. What is the 3-account system? Here it is. The Essentials account, for survival and stability. The Freedom account, for building wealth and investing. The Future account, for long-term goals and legacy. Let's break each one down. Account 1, the Essentials account. This is your foundation. Your financial safety net. The account that keeps you grounded no matter what life throws your way. What goes in this account? Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, minimum debt payments, emergency fund. This is the money you use to live today and stay afloat tomorrow. Goal of this account: pay essentials automatically, avoid paycheck to paycheck living, prepare for emergencies. How to set it up: use a high-yield checking account, set up automatic bill pay, keep 1 to 2 months of expenses available, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund over time. Real-life example. Let's say Jane earns $4,000 per month. She sets up her Essentials account and directs $2,500 into it. Rent, $1,200 groceries, $400 utilities, $200 car/transport, $300 insurance, $150 phone/internet, $100 emergency savings, $150 that money never touches her spending account. Her basics are covered, on autopilot. Account 2, the Freedom account. This account is for your future self. This is where you grow wealth, build investments, and create freedom. What goes in this account? Retirement contributions, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA or taxable brokerage account, real estate investment funds, extra debt payments, above the minimum, side hustle savings for business or growth. Goal of this account: build assets, create passive income, reach financial independence. This is the account that makes your money work for you. How to set it up: use an investment platform, Fidelity, Vanguard, M1 Finance, etc. Set up recurring contributions. Use index funds or ETFs to start. Automate reinvestment of dividends. Pro tip: treat this account like a bill. Don't wait to invest what's left over. Move money here first, then live on the rest. Example: back to Jane. She contributes $500 to her Roth IRA, $250 to her 401k, $100 to a taxable account. That's $850 per month, growing steadily. Over 20 years, assuming 8% returns, Jane will have over $500,000. Account 3, the Future account. This is your dreams account. Your legacy account. The account that funds your vision for the future. What goes in this account? Big life goals, house down payment, college, wedding, vacations and travel funds, family care or parental support, estate planning, trusts, giving. This isn't just about wealth, it's about what wealth allows you to do. Goal of this account: align your money with your values, plan for major life events, Build a legacy you're proud of. How to set it up. Use a separate high-yield savings account. Label accounts with your goals. For example, Paris trip. Baby fund. Use sinking funds. Save monthly for big expenses. Example. Jane wants to travel to Europe in 2 years. She saves $200 per month in her future account. After 24 months, she has $4,800, enough to pay for the trip in cash. She also sets aside $150 per month for a future home. In 5 years, that's $9,000 for a down payment. No debt. No stress. How this system changes your life. It gives your money a purpose. It eliminates chaos. It brings peace of mind. It creates progress, even when things feel slow. Most people don't need more money, they need more clarity. This system gives it to you. The biggest benefits of the 3-account system: it removes decision fatigue. No more wondering where your money should go. You've already decided. It builds discipline. By separating accounts, you avoid temptation and stay consistent. It empowers guilt-free spending. When your essentials and investments are handled, you can enjoy your money without anxiety. It accelerates wealth. Because you're automating investing, you're benefiting from compound growth. Common mistakes and how to avoid them: blurring the accounts. Keep them separate. Don't dip into your emergency fund to shop. Ignoring the freedom account. Saving without investing equals lost opportunity. Grow your money. Neglecting the future account. If you only save for now, you miss out on what life could be later. What if you can't contribute much right now? That's okay. Even if you start with $50 in essentials, $25 in freedom, $25 in future, you're building the habit. As your income grows, your system scales. The key is starting. Not how much, just starting. How the wealthy use the 3-account system. Think about millionaires. They have an account for security and insurance. Essentials, they invest aggressively. Freedom, they plan for impact and legacy. Future, the only difference. They move more money through the same system. This structure works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000. Case study: Mike's transformation. Mike was a 33-year-old teacher living paycheck to paycheck. He felt stuck. He implemented the 3-account system. Opened 3 accounts at his credit union, set up auto transfers every payday, started with small contributions, $200, $150, $50 after 12 months. His emergency fund was fully funded. He had $1,800 invested. He booked his first debt-free vacation, gave him momentum. Within 3 years, Mike hit $25,000 in net worth. How to start today: the quick start guide. Open 3 accounts. 1 for bills and essentials, 1 for investments, brokerage or Roth IRA, 1 for goals, high yield savings. Calculate your monthly income. Set percentages. Essentials, 60 to 70% freedom, 20% future, 10 to 20% automate transfers every payday. Track progress monthly. That's it. You've just created a financial system that can carry you through your entire life. The long-term vision. The beauty of the 3-account system is that it scales with you. Make more. Allocate more. Have a setback? Adjust, don't quit. This system is flexible but powerful. It keeps you grounded when life gets busy. It keeps you growing when times get tough. It keeps you dreaming, planning, and building. Final thoughts. You don't need complex spreadsheets or expensive advisors to manage your money. You need a system. The 3-account system gives you clarity, structure, and a clear path to wealth. It works whether you're starting from zero or already on your way. It works for the broke, the building, and the financially free. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs a better system for their money. And subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset for more financial strategies that actually work in the real world. Because financial freedom doesn't start with how much you make. It starts with how you manage what you have, and what you do with it over time.